thing I want to make clear is the one thing that I'm not going to do at all. This is going to sound crazy to you guys. The one thing I'm not going to do to Richard Matharu is I'm not going to pitch him. Completely unnecessary. I do not ever have to pitch Richard Matharu. Will he join the business? Yes. Will he rank on the leaderboards? Yes. Will it be because I cold pitched him? No, it just will not be. Will it be because he started to know who I was? He started to see my content in the newsfeed and realize my content was good? Will it be because he doesn't remember when we became friends? He won't remember how we became friends, but he will just know I'm somebody connected in his network who is putting out value, who is building an audience, who is getting results. Not only that, but my content is geared towards my niche audience, which in this case would be network marketers. So going back full circle, if I were Charles, I would get to 5,000 friends at a reasonable pace, all in the same niche. Now, let's take it a little bit further. Would I accept the friend request from somebody who was not in network marketing just so I could have another eyeball on my content?